Are you tired of overpaying on eBay? Learn how to use Best Offer to get items for less every time. In this video, I will show you exactly how to find eligible listings, make a smart offer, and send it in just a few clicks. So here is the thing about eBay. A lot of listings have a little blue tag that says Best Offer. That tag is basically the seller saying, I am willing to negotiate. Most people just see the price and click Buy It Now. But if you know what you are doing, you can save a solid chunk of change. And the best part? It takes about 30 seconds once you get the hang of it. Let me walk you through it. First, find a listing with the Best Offer tag. This is your golden ticket. When you are browsing eBay, look for that little line of text right under the price that says, or Best Offer. If you do not see it, that listing is fixed price only, and you cannot negotiate. So skip those. But when you see that tag, that means the seller has already agreed to consider lower prices. I have tested this on hundreds of listings, and you would be surprised how often sellers accept offers that are way below the listed price, especially if an item has been sitting there for a while. So go ahead and click into that listing. Once you are on the listing page, look for the Make Offer button. It is usually right next to the Buy It Now button, in that same big white box. You cannot miss it. It will say Make Offer in bold text. Now, I have seen people get confused here because they think they have to add the item to their cart first. You do not. You can just click Make Offer right from the listing page. It is a separate path from the standard checkout process. So go ahead and click that button. Now decide how much you want to pay and type it in. This is where a lot of people hesitate, and I get it. You do not want to offend the seller, but you also do not want to pay too much. So here is what I normally do. I start by looking at the item and asking myself, what would I be happy paying? Then I usually offer somewhere between 60 and 70% of the listed price. That might sound aggressive, but remember, the seller can always counteroffer. That is part of the game. A big mistake I see buyers make is offering just a few dollars below the asking price. That is usually not worth the seller's time. They want to see a meaningful discount, so be bold but reasonable. Type your number into the box and make sure you are looking at the right currency. Sometimes items are listed in a different currency, and you want to make sure you are offering the right amount. Before sending, review your offer details. This step is quick but important. eBay will show you a summary of your offer, including the total price and any applicable taxes or shipping costs. I have seen people accidentally offer way more than they meant because they typed an extra zero. So take that 1 second to double-check the number you entered. Also, check the quantity if you are buying multiples. It is easy to miss. Once you are happy with what you see, you are ready to move on. Finally, send your offer and wait for the seller's response. Click the Send Offer button. And that is it. Your offer is now in the seller's hands. They have a set amount of time to respond, usually 24 to 48 hours. You will get an email notification when they do. Now, a quick heads up. Sometimes the seller will counteroffer with a different price. That is totally normal. You can accept it, reject it, or send another offer right back. It is a negotiation, so do not feel pressured to take the first counter. You are in control here. And that is the whole process, from browsing to sending an offer in just a few clicks. Now you know exactly how to start saving money on eBay instead of paying full price. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, and I will catch you in the next one.